Go to Format Background. Insert the picture as background. Insert rectangle shape and fill it to the whole screen. Insert the text. Select Aharoni text and size 115. Put it in the middle. Select rectangle first, then the text. Go to Shape Format and subtract them. Go to Format Shape. Change the color to black and no line. Adjust transparency to 30. Duplicate the slide. Make your slide small. And make the front slide as bigger as possible. Insert your text. Then, select all the slide and insert Morph Transition.